rescued. Here comes the market flying in.
That was the reaction on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange as the House passed the $700 billion bailout bill. The initial response on the big board was muted, but traders began selling off stocks as the news settled in, pushing the Dow down more than 200 points in the first hour alone. Trader Alan Valdez says the bill's passage was not unexpected, a far cry from the chaos that gripped the markets just 4 days earlier.
You know, in the long run, it's the right bill. It really is. It should put a footing on the housing debacle. We should be able to move forward, but most importantly, it should free up that credit. The credit markets that have literally been frozen. I mean, banks were not lending to banks because they were afraid of the counterparty. They're going to have nothing to fear from the U.S. government. So this should definitely, and you should see that almost instantly.
The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended the day down 157 points at 10,325. The broader indexes also ended lower. The Standard & Poor's 500 index was off 15 points at 1099, and the NASDAQ finished down 29 points at 1977. David Weiss, an economist at Standard & Poor's, says the bailout package is just one of the issues America is facing in the years ahead.
We've got a real problem in that financial markets have clogged up. Nobody wants to make a loan to anybody. What this bill should do is free that up, get small business lending going again, get consumer lending going again. It doesn't solve the underlying problems in the housing market, however, and that's probably going to require some more legislation at the beginning of the next president's term.
The big question now, will this bailout plan work? Will it stabilize the stock markets, and will it unfreeze the credit market? Ted Shaffrey, The Associated Press, Wall Street.